So to export in Canva is pretty easy. All you need to do is whenever you've got your artwork ready, is you go up to the top right here, which is called Share. This is where you can actually export or download your artwork as a different format. So this is what you'll be using day in and day out. If you want to use this in any other method, you can hit more and basically use any of these options. I don't really use any of this because I don't really need to, but the main way that I usually do is just go Share and then just go Download. If you're using the Pro version or a paid version of Canva, you'll be able to export these as SVG, and I think you've got like different options for transparent background and a few other things, but for the most part this is the way you do it. So just go Share, Download. Say for example I want to download this as a JPEG, so by default Canva will choose PNG. Just hit this drop down menu, you can choose JPEG. It'll give you a few tips and tricks based off what you've chosen, and just bump the quality up to 100. So this is what I usually do most of the time. It gets a bit confusing down here, sorry. If you go down to download again, I'll just do this again. Quality 100. So say I want to export only page 1. All I need to do is untick page 2, and then this is what will appear as your selection. If you want to export both of these as separate pages, just go all pages, or you can just tick both, and it will just tick both of them regardlessly. And this way you'll download both of these pages but separately as a high quality JPEG. You can also bump up the resolution depending on what size it is. So this is just a native social media size, so it's going to be 1080 by 1080, but I can upscale that to 3000 by 3000. Another way you can do this, say for example you've got, maybe we'll do, say for example you've got a video or like a GIF that you want to export. Say this is just like a GIF and you've got these two that to sort of switch between each other. So if we go 0.5, I'll just apply this to both pages, so this basically acts as like a GIF, right? If you want to export this, always remember if you click on this little draw tab here, this is where you can change it into, you know, your playback settings. So I just adjusted the timing. Just go Share again, Download, and then from here you can pick GIF, and then basically you can just download these as individual or separate files. But you know, because these are the two slides that are transitioning, I'll just go all pages and just download it that way. If you want to download this as a video, let's go MP4 video, highest quality. You can change this depending on what format you've chosen as well, and then you can choose both. If you want to adjust the duration of the export, you can just hit here and go Edit Timing and do it that way. If you need to add any transitions or anything, you can do it this way. Delete pages, add pages, that sort of thing. But if you hover over the gap in the middle here, this is what will appear, and you can add transitions as well. This is going into too much depth with video editing. I'll go in a different video, but yeah, this is a bit of an example of how to sort of do that also. Alright, so what I'll do is I'll turn this off, and I'll just go none for the transition. And say I just want to export this as a PNG, so I'll just go Download again, PNG, yep, page 1, so it'll give you a little thumbnail preview. So done, PNG. Don't worry about download, save download settings, because you want to export these as different files as you wish as well. And just go Download. You can do transparent background if you really want, or lower quality, but just do this. It's the easiest way. It will download, and it'll come up here, and then this is when you can actually open it from your download browser. And there you go. That's the highest quality to sort of pick from, I guess, as far as PNG goes. But yeah, hopefully that kind of helps exporting documents a bit easier. One last thing, if you want to download a PDF, just obviously pick PDF standard. You can flatten PDF if there's a lot of content on there, or just do PDF standard if you're just going to email that. If you're getting it printed, do print, because this is how I'm pretty sure Canva will convert your artwork to CMYK, I'm pretty sure. And you can do crop marks and bleeds if you really need to. Yeah, there you go, CMYK, and just download it that way. Okay, so there's a few options that you can pick from here. Yeah, again, just experiment and see what kind of works for you or what's available to you. Okay, let me know if you've got any questions. If you like some coaching on Canva or Illustrator, let me know and I'll leave a link in the description. Thanks.